So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. Rahul Prajapati this side and welcome to Morning Market Brief. So let's start the analysis looking at the SGX first, right? So uh, 50 points approximately gap up opening. Now market has reached 17,900. Now looking at the technical charts, we have discussed that since very long that market is bullish, right? Okay. And market is actually heading towards 18,000. And we have already discussed that the trend is, likely to continue on the higher side. Looking at the trap indicator signal, which is almost giving more than 4% return now. And looking at the OI cycle that we have seen earlier. Okay. So it's clearly suggesting that market is moving towards the north direction, right? Okay. So it's the Nifty is continuing to be, going in uptrend, right? Okay. So both technical charts suggest that, 18,000 levels is on the cards. And looking at the OI, simply the trend is intact for bullish, right? Okay. Now, if we see the current expiry chart, so 17,800 was the highest call option, but haven't seen a good unwinding happening on this particular strike price, and market closed above that. On the higher side, 18,000 has the highest call option after that. Okay, so there might be some unwinding happening after this. Okay, so 18,000 is the resistance that we are looking for. Okay, and 17,800 and 17,700 will become a good support for Nifty, right? Okay. Now let's check the chart of Bank Nifty. Okay, we have already discussed that the trend of Bank Nifty is continuously bullish since long, right? Okay, almost. Now, if we see Bank Nifty from here, so if you see from since July, the market is continuing only long and long unwinding cycle. Okay, not at all a single shot since almost a month, right? So it was in last 14th July. Since then, market is continuing to go up. So that's clear uptrend, right? Okay, so the trend again for Bank Nifty is intact for bullish, right? Okay. Okay. So 39,000 shows a good unwinding yesterday. Okay, so market moved up. Now, if you see across, all the strike prices till 39,500, we have seen good addition happening. So anyhow, on the higher side, 39,500 is resistance, and above that 40,000, right? Okay. Now, if you see the technical charts of Bank Nifty, the next level is actually 40,000 on the higher side, right? So next resistance that we are facing is 40,000 on the higher side here, right? Okay. So that is what level we are looking for. Okay, and OI data also suggests the same level. So the trend is bullish. Any dip in both the indices could be good buying opportunity, right? Now, if you go and check the trap indicator for Nifty and Bank Nifty, so they are almost providing. Also, Bank Nifty is almost near 5% in the last signal. And if you talk about the Nifty, it's almost 4%, right? Okay. And today's gap up might add further addition in this too. Okay, and then just 15 days, right? Both the signal came on the same day, and it's 17 days. Okay, so a good return of 3 or 4% in this month, right? Okay. Now, next thing is, if we see the index contribution. So yesterday, so if you see private banks and auto sector and FMCG have added a good, addition, and NBFC also. Negative side, PSU banks, then telecom and metals, right? Now, if you see the ban list, okay, so Delta Corp, Balrampur Cement, and Tata Chemical are the three stocks which is trading in the ban list, right? Now let's see which stocks are trading in the long unwinding cycle, so we can talk about them. Now, if you see, Apollo Tire seems to be very bullish. Okay, the stock has already moved 6% yesterday, so we can just simply, this stock looks bullish. It's clearly bullish, right? Okay, so that is one thing. Indigo looks fine. Okay, let me see if okay. So let's go with the TVS Motor. TVS Motor looks fine. Right. So yes, so it was unwinding happened, and then again it gave a breakout again. So TVS Motor looks bullish on technical charts. Okay, even on if you see the higher time frame, the stocks completely look bullish. Okay, so trading, I think, all-time high. Okay, on even on a weekly chart, the stock is trading on a all-time high. Now, if we go with TVS Motor here, Okay, so clear long unwinding cycle. Yesterday, it gave a good move from this unwinding. So again, re-entry in this stock. Okay. So TVS Motor has shows a good unwinding happening across all the strike prices. 980 is the strike price where it is standing, and there's good addition. But if you see the highest call option, that is 1000, and that shows a good unwinding. So from here, any breakout above 980 could leads the stock to easily 2000 level and above that level after that, because there is good unwinding happening on this, right? And 950 could be a good support as of now, right? So probably I'm targeting a good, target on the higher side, probably 1040, 1050, right? Okay. That could be level we can anticipate in coming days. But 1000 level is level where we need a further breakout on that, right? Okay. So 980 could be good support after that. Okay. So once it break the 1000 level, that is one thing. Okay. And so if we go with Indigo also, so Indigo looks fine. Indigo is also bullish as of now. Okay. So if we go and check the daily chart, okay, so if we see the stock is clearly bullish as of now. Okay, it came down as a dip. Okay, and now it shows a reversal yesterday. Okay, so Indigo looks fine. Okay, this was good long and then few days of unwinding, and and then yesterday good upside. So looks fine. Okay, so same thing, Indigo. Okay, so Indigo looks fine from here. Okay, no issues. Okay, so in Indigo also 2100 level shows a good unwinding. Okay, so 2080 should break. So as soon as the stock will move above 2080, it can easily reach 2100, and then 2140 we can easily expect. And you have seen after that the addition is happening on 2200 strike price. Okay, and as of now highest put is at 2000, but as soon as the stock will move above this, 2080 would be a good support for the stock, right? Okay. TVS Motors and Indigo are the two stocks which looks foolish. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.